Okay, let's talk about something we've all felt: being blinded by super bright headlights.
I mean, you've been there, right? And oncoming cars' lights just feel way, way too bright. A lot of us are swapping old bulbs for new LEDs to see better. But there's a catch.
See, this federal rule is the heart of the problem. It was written for old school halogen bulbs.
Which means, yep, popping those new LED bulbs into old housings, it's not actually street legal.
And the number one issue with these upgrades is glare. The light just scatters everywhere.
So you'd think, with all this extra glare, there must be more accidents, right?
Well, check out this number from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. It's pretty surprising.
That's how many night crashes actually blame glare. It's a tiny fraction that's barely changed.
So complaints are way up, but the crash data is flat. What is really going on?
And here's the twist. If it's not just the bulbs, what's the real problem?
A federal study found that a whopping 62% of cars have at least one headlight aimed wrong.
Right. It's like a spotlight. Where you point it matters way more than the bulb itself. This chart shows it perfectly. Aim your lights just a little too high, you create serious glare.
So how do we fix this? Well, there are some pretty cool solutions on the way.
This new adaptive tech is amazing. It basically carves a shadow around other cars for you.
But look, you don't have to wait for fancy new tech. There's simple stuff you can do today. So it makes you wonder, is the answer high tech, or is it just aiming our lights correctly?